I'm tired of this show. They should make a YouTube proof out of this. No matter what they do, it's just a terrible show. I'm just gonna... Too bad. You want me to do this? You want me to do this? Good night, everybody. Move away. I've been tortured. My brother tortured me to watch this, and so did you, woodpecker or Jake. You're torturing me to watch this on Peacock all day.
If it isn't my neighbor, the moocher.
No moocher. Yeah, he is a moocher.
Well, sure, chump. Woody.
Woody. Right, Jiminy. My butt. I haven't even done this for days.
I'm cuter than you. You're not cute, though. You deserve it. Oh, wait. I hope. Wacko. Yay! I'm gonna eat you for my dinner, for boo. For boo. I'm being audited, blah, blah, blah. For boo. Let me tell you, my big brother. Let go, Mary bitch. No. Let go, me. Yeah, but you said Mitch before you said. Yeah, but. It must not be a yoke. Jail time! Yay, he going to jail. Boo. Hold on, let me zoom out of the camera. Wait, what are you doing with my phone? I was just moaning and groaning just for that show to be on. Oh. Suck it.
It belongs to the former owner of the house.
The case against you is building, Mr.
Ugh. Hold
on. That's my pet,
Little orange.
It's a half-eaten carrot.
No, it is not.
That's it.
I'm gonna bite you. My baboo.
I knew
Oh,
Sicilian
the weed.
salami.
But I've never even been to Sicily.
Tell it to the judge. This evidence must be treated with the utmost care. It has to be kept in this protective coating and dealt with properly.
Hold on, let me take the camera. Go grab my...
Mr. Walrus, what are you keeping behind this door?
He's keeping crap behind the door.
And explain this.
That's not an eating ham. That's a plumbing ham.
95% for the government.
No, please. I was saving that for my retirement.
Ow. No, you used to be a same again, Woody, because you stole my food.
Oh, this will cost you dear.
Yum, 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 yum.
Solitary confinement.
Oh no.
No.
And that will leave you with prison.
To the food, Woody. And you, Wally. I hate you.
But Dad, I confess, I've got food hidden all over the house. Be merciful.
Taking the cart. Good night, everybody. Stop with that joke. Ow.
That completes your audit, Mr. Walrus.
CT conception.
My food.
Your food, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna take the Wiimote and change the channel.
Yes, Mr. Walrus, it has come to our attention that you are owing 37 years in back taxes. Huh? But I thought that didn't
I can't. I can't move it. Hold on. I can't. Deflate him. Deflate him. He's gonna go
That leaves
thick.
you with 1% of your body fat. Your account is fully paid up.
Oh.
For doing business with the IRS.
Blah, blah, blah. You sick. Shish. I meant shish. I said enough of that shish.
Hello,
I-
sport. Could you
I-
spare some food for a guy down on his luck?
Sure, you're just in time. The
No.
delivery truck just came.
No.
Fresh logs with all the termites you can eat.
Ew. You're so disgusting.
Fried chicken.
No, it does not.
Again.
No. No,